share a link in the group. Just allow me for a minute. Scroll down. Click on Get Started, the SAS profile. Guys, today we're gonna see those who are not having the access of SAS. So by following this method, you can get the access of SAS software. And so you all need to focus on the session itself. You don't need to perform anything because you'll at the end of the session, you'll get recording as well. So yes, Malti, just fill up the basic details. Click on Student. No voice. Clinical Study Academy. Scroll down. Yeah, click on I agree this terms of use and conditions. Create profile. You can leave that one. That one is, I think, promotional mails. For that, they are asking access. Yeah, click on create profile. Now open the mail ID for which you have entered in this form. Okay, while doing sign in your Gmail ID, okay, if it is already login, then it is fine. And one more thing, guys, everyone. So, you know, our sessions are going to get recorded, right? So you need to ensure one thing, that if you're opening your WhatsApp, if you are if you're doing login in your mail ID, if you're entering password, so for that moment, please unshare your screen, or else your confidential details will be recorded in the session. Is this clear to all?
Yes.
Okay. And yeah, open that mail ID. So once you'll do those formalities which we have done, you'll get this mail ID. And you can see here it is written activate your SaaS profile. Click here. Now, once you'll click on the link, you can see here on the screen, it is asking for to create password. So create a password. So Malti, for here, what you can do in simple way, click on use strong password and save it. If if due to some issue, if you forgot even your password, you can again reset your password. No worries. I just click. Yeah. Have you clicked, Malti? That password. Yeah. Click on set password. Then click on continue. You can close this tab. No thanks. Now do one thing. Just open the third tab, the SaaS profile. Open the second tab, SaaS on demand for academic. Now click on sign in the right hand side. Yeah. Enter the mail ID which you have given while creating profile. Click on the password. It should read actually. Just click again. Click on this no user. Yeah. Yeah. Use your fingerprint to give the access. Accept the terms, then sign in. Save. Click on save. Then register. First, agree the term, like there is a checkbox. Then register. Asia Pacific. Submit. Yes. Click on yes. Okay. Click on OK. So guys, once you'll uh, once you'll perform these formalities, after that, SaaS will take 5 to 6 minutes to create your profile. Okay, in the database. So meanwhile, it's gonna take 5 to 6 minutes. So we can discuss some basic things. So guys, my question is to you, as per your knowledge, how many types of data is there? You can simply raise your hands if you know the answer. Yes, Sharon.
Sir, there are three types of data: character, numeric, and special character.
Character, numeric, and
Numeric
special
and
character.
special character.
Very correct. Okay. So guys, character data are like alphabets, name. Numeric data is simply numbers. Special characters are nothing but symbols, at the rate, hyphen, asterisk. Those are called special characters. On top of that, date. Date is also considered as numeric data type. Okay. Open a notepad. Okay. Okay, we'll perform in the SAS itself, no worries. Now try re-logging your profile. Click on the second tab, SAS on demand for academic. Yeah, sign in. I think you need to choose the second option, the SAS. This is the, okay, just press backspace. Second tab only, click on second tab, sign in. Sign in at the top inside. Yeah, wait. Click on the box, SAS profile. Click on the box where mail ID is asking. Now click on the second. Don't choose this Raghu one. No, click on the SAS profile. Take your mouse there, click. Second password, no user password is there, right? Raghu, and after Raghu, no user, yeah. Use your fingerprint to give access. Manually, you need to enter, maybe. Enter the mail ID. Accept the condition. Then sign in. Click on launch. So the very first time, once you'll create your profile and you're gonna sign in, it gonna take 1 to 2 minutes max. Okay. So the next time you'll be opening, it will take very less time. But the first time it will take 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Now click on maximize window. The red mark. Yeah. Okay. Now guys, the screen you are seeing, that is the UI of SAS, user interface. What is UI? It means how a software looks like. I can see in front of you, there are 3 windows. First, code. Second, log. Third, result. So in the coding window or code window, you need to write codes. In the log window, it will show you the process, background process. If you are running a code or if you are getting any error, okay, after running the code, all the things you can see in the log window, all the background details. In the result window, if you are printing any data set, that will come in the result window. And there is one more window, output data set. That will be coming once you run a data set. So in total, there are 4 windows. We'll see the actual use of this windows as well by performing. Now, let us understand the types of data. So the very first I have asked this question. So Sharon have answered. There are 3 types of data: character, numeric, and special character. Now, how this concept of character type and numeric and date and time or special character, they come up. See, whenever you create a profile on Amazon, Flipkart, or on Swiggy or Zomato, any application, you fill up some basic details, right? So let's suppose if you are filling up your name details. So that particular company, if you're creating profile on Amazon, they will be storing your data, right? So whenever you fill the data on their website or in their application, the data will go to their database. Okay. So Malti, simply write your name here, Malti. And then mention multiple equal to 5 times, give equal to symbol. So Malti is which type of data? Special character, numeric, or character, guys?
Character.
Character, very correct. So simply write here character type data. And Malti, just maintain 2 spaces before equal to and after equal to. Now move to next row. Now let's suppose while creating your profile on Amazon, you have entered your name detail. Now let's suppose you are entering your phone number. So write some random numbers, any 4 digits. Again, give equal to like you have given earlier. Then these numbers will be which type of data, guys?
Numeric.
Numeric. Now, let's suppose after entering your name detail, after entering your phone number, Amazon is asking for your DOB, date of birth. So simply write some random date of birth, or you can write today's date as well. 21 5 and 2024. So this will be which type of data, guys? Character or numeric?
Numeric.
Numeric.
Special character.
You all are actually correct. A date can be character as well, special character as well, and numeric as well. Now there is a question, how can be a single data can be character as well, numeric as well, special character as well? So I'll explain you one by one. But basically, or in a broader way, a date value or a date data will be considered as numeric only in a purest form. So simply write numeric type data. I'll explain the logic how we can consider the date as character as well, special character as well. I'll tell you later on. Okay, now this was about if you are writing your name, so that is character type of data. If you are writing numbers, that is numeric type of data. If you are writing date, that is also numeric type of data. Now, let's suppose if you are giving some symbols, while creating mail ID, you give special characters like @ okay. So move on the next row and give some special character @ hyphen dollar symbol. Yeah, again, give this equal to and simply write special character data, special character type data. Okay, now these symbols, these are known as special character type data. Okay, now these are the standard ways of data or standard types of data you're gonna be dealing with in the future. Any data science, data scientist or data analyst, mostly they're gonna work on these data. Now there are some visual data as well, like as Tesla companies are using, but those are totally different type of data. Now, coming to some special scenarios. So let's suppose you are entering your mail ID. So Malti, simply enter some random mail ID in the next row that contains name, number, special character. Before @ mention some number as well. Yeah. Now let's suppose a data like mail ID, which contain, you can see at the beginning raga, that is character. After that, this hyphen symbol, not hyphen, hash. So this is special character. Then you can see 2, that is numeric, and again mala, that is again character. After that, @ that is again special character, and Gmail character, period symbol, special character, com character. So you can see these particular data, 5th row, it contains special character, character, numeric. 3 types of data it contains. So whenever you are having a observation which contain combination of types, special character, numeric kind of. So by default, that type of data will become character type data. Simply write character type data. If your data is containing name, number, special character, so it will be considered in character type data. Because character type data allows to have character as well, number as well, date as well, everything it allows. So whenever your data is combination of multiple things, by default, it will fall under character type. Okay. Now, in the while explaining the numeric type data, especially the date, 3rd row, I have told you that the purest form of date will be numeric only. But you can consider or you can keep as an character as well. Okay, and you can tell special character also there because you are using /, that is special character. But actually, a date will be always a numeric type data. But actually, you can create a date variable as character as well. But that is not logically not valid. See, what is the benefit of having a numeric type of data? On numeric type data, you can perform calculation. On character type data, you cannot perform calculation. Okay, again, we'll see these things one by one. Okay, now go one thing, Malti. Do one thing. Go at the first row in the beginning. Click on the first row beginning before Malti in the beginning. Press enter twice. One more time. Now at the first row, on the first row, simply write types of data. Now, you know, guys, all these things we are writing, that we are writing in which window?
Code window.
Code window. So is it allowed to write these things in coding window?
We can use star before syntax, so it allows to write.
That's correct. So actually, writing these things in coding window, that is not allowed. You cannot write these things in coding window. Why? In coding window, you can write only codes. Okay, the things which is meant to understand by SAS. And this is something we have written for our understanding, not for SAS understanding. This is something we have for journal understanding, types of data. Now, if you are writing anything apart from code in the coding window, so later on, if you are writing code in the coding window, you will get error. Now, to tell SAS that this is not something for you, this is something for our we have written for our understanding, you need to comment it. So how we can comment it? Simply select from first row to seventh row. And then command plus forward slash. Now click on the screen. You can see after performing this, the code got this text which we have written. It got automatically commented. Okay, what does it mean by comment? Comment is something that we are telling to this software SaaS that please understand, this is not something we have written for you. This is something which we have written for us. So what SAS will do, it will not read these things because you have commented. So when you will run any program, it will neglect these rows. So let's suppose if you are writing a code and something note you want to write for your understanding, some note. Okay, so it is not allowed to write anything else apart from code. So what you can do, you can comment. So if you want to comment in bulk, you can perform like this. So in Mac, you can perform like command plus forward slash. In Windows, I think it is control plus forward slash kind of. Okay. Now, if you want to comment in bulk, number of rows, so you can do like this. But if you have to comment a single row, then also you can select and do like this. But there are multiple ways. I'll tell you the next way as well. Go down. Go more down. Simply write class 1 class 1 then go to the next row, learning how to create data in SAS. So let's suppose you want to comment these two rows. So there are two ways. Either you can select these two rows and control plus / or command plus /. Either you can manually also comment. In the beginning, go on 9th row, click on the beginning. Simply give the symbol / and asterisk symbol. First / and then asterisk symbol. So after mentioning this / and asterisk symbol, so the comment is started. Now, when you want to end the comment, do you want to tell that this 9th row is only comment or till 10th row? If you want to comment till 10th row, so at the 10th row and you can mention this asterisk symbol and / asterisk symbol, that star like symbol, and /. Okay, so wherever you want to comment, if automatically it is not happening in the beginning, just you need to give / and asterisk symbol. At the end, till wherever you want to comment, you just give asterisk symbol and /. If you want to comment only 9th row, so after class 1 at the end, you can simply mention asterisk symbol and /. So this is manual way, and the upper one, if you want to comment in bulk, just select it and do it easily. Okay. Now go down on 12th row, press enter twice. Okay. Now, how many of you have used Excel sheet? Mansi, Manshu, how about Divya, Malti, Pratiksha, Sharun, Vaibhav? So Malti, do you have Excel in your system? If yes, then open it. Or meanwhile, what I can do, I can share my screen. I think I'm having Excel in my system. So just guys, just confirm me, is my screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you can see I have opened an Excel sheet. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, unable to zoom in, I think. Okay, it's working now. So, okay, what is the use of Excel sheet? What is the purpose? Why does it exist?
Basically to
Yes.
create table and all stuff.
Okay, what do you mean by table?
So we can separate information like in first column, we can do IDs, names and all stuff. We separate information based on type or something.
Very correct.
We can graphically represent data.
Yeah, very correct. Guys, can we say in layman language to store data? Excel is used to store data, right?
Yeah.
Now, the question is how we can store data in Excel. So there are two options to store data in Excel. One is column, another is row. Now, what is the use of column?
We can use column for separation of variables.
Okay. You can see here, guys, we have created a simple data. Okay. So you can see what we have done in the column. We have mentioned column name. We have given name, sex, age. Okay. And in the rows, you can see we have stored the data. Now you can see what is the purpose of column here. Column is helping us to understand what data we are going to store in that column. So you can see in the name column, for sure, you are going to store names, right? In the name column, you are storing names. In the sex column, you are storing the gender data. In the age column, you are storing the age data. So you can see the purpose of column is it is helping us to identify what data we are going to store in the particular column. So in SAS, so here it is called column name. Okay, here it is called column name. But column name in SAS, you will call it variables. In any coding language, not in SAS. In SAS, R, Python, Java, HTML, whichever language you use, these column names will be considered as variable. Is this clear to all?
Yes.
Now coming to this data inside the column, okay, in the name variable, we have some names, sex variable, sex data, age variable, age data. So these are called observations. So data inside the column name, these are called observations. So column name is known as variable. Okay, data inside the column is known as observation. Is this clear? So in the coming days, we're going to use these terminologies, variable and observation. Is this clear to all?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
yes, sir.
Now, Malti, quickly reshare your screen.
Is it coming, sir, now?
Yeah. Open SAS Studio.
Mm-hmm. 1 minute. This one. Yes, sir. Is
Yeah.
it now visible, sir? Yes. Should I
Yeah.
maximize it?
Yes. Now, guys, we have seen in a basic way how we have created a data which contain column name and records in Excel. But if you have to create data in SAS, how you can create? Okay. So in Excel, you simply went, or I simply went, opened and written the column name and written the records. But SAS is a software. You cannot write anything randomly. You should write in such way that this software should understand. That's why we are learning a language, so that we can talk to this software. Now, like the same way, see, to tell SAS that I want to comment, you have given / and asterisk symbol in the beginning, and to and asterisk symbol and /. So that is a language. By writing that, you have told SAS. Same way, if you want to create data in SAS, you need to write data. So simply write data. You can see here it is coming in blue. So SAS is understanding. It is a syntax.
Okay.
Now after data, you need to write the data name. So let's suppose if any file you are creating, that file will have some name, right? So simply give the name exp1, give a space.
Okay.
exp1, example one kind of, yeah, E for elephant. Without space. So there is one rule while giving data name. In data name, you cannot give spaces. Like let's suppose after exp, you give a space and if you write 1, or after ex, you give a space and you write p.
Okay.
Okay. You cannot give spaces in the data name. Okay. That is one rule. Second rule, that a data name cannot start with number.
Okay.
You can give number at the second position, third position,
Okay.
fourth position, any position, but it cannot be at first position.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now guys, now you have written data to tell SAS that I want to create data. Then you have also given the data name. Now you want to, any command you are writing in SAS, anything you are telling to SAS, that is known as statement. You are giving a statement to SAS.
Okay.
Now you need to close the data statement. So to close the data statement, you need to give semicolon.
Semicolon.
Yeah. Now,
Is this the
move to
correct one,
next
sir?
row.
Okay.
Yeah, very correct.
Okay.
Now guys, let's suppose you are creating a data in your system, Excel sheet, let's suppose. So the Excel sheet will have some name, right? So along with the Excel sheet name, let's suppose here in SAS, you have given the data name. So what are the other things are there inside the data? Apart from the file name you have given. What is pending, guys?
Variable and observation.
Variable and observation. Like in Excel, column name and records. Here in any programming language, that column name will be known as variable and records will be known as observation. So data name we have given. Now to create variable, we need to write input. Write input, INPUT. Okay, again it is coming in blue. It means SAS is understanding. After this, you need to give the variable names. In short, column names. So give 3 variables, name, age, and sex, and maintain spaces between them.
Okay. Should I give it here or here only, sir?
On the same row, after space.
Name, age,
Sex or gender. Yeah. Now, guys, we have 3 variables. Name, age, and gender. So name is which type of variable, guys?
character.
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 And age?
Numeric.
Numeric.
And gender?
Character.
Character.
Very correct. Now, whenever you are creating character variable, you need to give dollar symbol after that, after the variable. So give dollar symbol after the character type variables and maintain one space. One space between the variable name and dollar symbol. Character variable. So age is a numeric, right?
For numeric.
For numeric, SAS will automatically understand. No need to give anything. But for character, you need to give dollar symbol. Now, if you give this dollar symbol exactly after the variable name, then also the code will work. But I feel if you give one space, so it looks good, right? So name is separate and the dollar symbol is separate. Now you have given a statement to SAS Malti. Now you need to close the statement by mentioning semicolon at the end. You are telling semicolon.
Okay.
Yeah. Maintain a space between dollar and semicolon. So you are telling SAS by input, I have told you to create variables, but by semicolon, I'm telling you, I have given the sufficient variables I wanted to create. Okay. Now let's move to the next row. Now guys, you have created variables. Now you need to create observations, record under these variables. Now to create observation, you need to write cards, CARDS. Give semicolon.
Okay.
Then move to the next row. Now vertically write any three names. One by one. On 15 row, one name, on 16 row, another name, on 17 row, another name.
Okay.
Give their age and gender detail as well.
Comma is needed.
Not needed, just a single space. Now on 18th row, just close it, semicolon. Go on next row. Write run. Now guys, on 14th row, we have closed with semicolon. Then we have continuously given the records we wanted. Then we have finally closed on 18th row. We have told we have created sufficient record we wanted in our variables. And then you are running, then you are writing run. Run is used for execution. Then give semicolon. Then select from 19 row to 12 row.
19th row to 12. Okay.
Yeah. And click on the run symbol. You can see a running symbol beside the code, beside the coding window. The very first symbol. No, a running person symbol. Can you see?
Pardon, sir, where it is exactly? The left side or right side it is?
Left
Here
side.
you are telling this one, right?
No, not beside that. Go down. Just after code.
This one,
Just
this
after
one.
code. Yeah.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
So guys, now you have created a data inside a software. You have learned how to create data inside a software, a data analysis software, or a data science software. Now
Okay.
go back to coding window. Go down. Now guys, today we'll be covering this much only.
Okay.
Now what you need to do, you all need to create 5 data set. You can decide how many variables or how many records you want to add, but I need 5 data sets from your end.
Okay.
And those who are not having the access of SAS software, I'll share you this recording. Okay, now how you can access the recording and these materials, I'll tell you. Before that, let me inform you one basic thing. Whatever code we are doing now, or coding we are doing, you need to save it. Okay. Now how you can save? In the left hand side, you can see server files and folder, Malti. Left hand side. Go on totally left hand side, server files and folder.
Yes, sir,
Beside
I
that,
have it.
little down, and you can see files. Little more down, little files. Yeah, more, yeah, files. Just explore it. As of now, it is closed. Click on that arrow in the beginning. So right now there is in the files, there is single file SAS user. So now do a right click on this file. Click on files and do right click. Not on this folder, not on SAS user. Click on files. Click on new folder. Choose folder. Simply write code.
Can I save it,
Save
sir?
it. Yeah. Now you can see, guys, a new folder got created. Now the code which you have written today, Malti, we need to store
Yes,
in this folder. Now how we can store?
Okay.
So simply you can see a save symbol.
Can I move it, sir?
No, that's fine, totally fine.
Can I move it like this?
If you want, you
Okay.
can.
Is it coming, sir? Will it come like this?
Yeah, that's totally fine, Malti.
Home folder shortcuts. Code is not coming, sir.
You need to explore files. Okay, right now you can close this moving things. That's fine. Okay, now the symbol you have used for running your program, right?
Yes, sir.
In the same row, you can see a save symbol, file symbol is coming. Yeah, save program. Click there. Now, first you need to give the name, the file name. So you have to give the file name in such way. See, .sas is the extension, so that you should not remove. Before that, program one is the name. So remove the program one as well. Now you need to give the name as per the topic we have done. So what you have learned today? Data types. Simply write data types and give and symbol. Give a space and symbol. Space data creation. You have learned a simple way of creating data. So you should always give the file name in such way that you can understand with the name itself what you have done in the particular file.
Okay.
Now you need to choose the location as well, Malti, where you want to save this file. So just click on files. You can see their location is coming. Not here, not here. Let it be earlier. Click on the first option.
Here only, sir.
Click on the files. Not there, not there.
Here one.
That files, yeah. Explore it. That symbol in the beginning, it is coming now. Yeah, click there. Click on the code window. Code folder. Yeah, now save.
Okay.
Now you can see in your code folder, this file name is coming.
Okay.
Whenever next time you are opening SAS, you can directly go there and open this code.
Okay, sir.
If you don't save your codes, what, let's suppose if due to some reason, if you are closing, most probably your code will be stored here. But if you are saving your files like this, it will be permanently stored there. Even you can download that file and keep in your system. So let's suppose in today's session, you have done the coding, Malti. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, you need to upload the file on server. So how you can
Okay.
upload the file on server? First, you do right click on that file and download it. Particular file name. Yeah, go down. Yeah, click on download. Now let me create a server for you guys. Just allow me for a minute. So Malti, here in the chat,
Yes, sir.
okay, I have shared a link on the WhatsApp. Just open that link. And
it is
the
out.
password is capital CSA. In capital, write CSA.
Hmm.
CSA @
CSA. C for copy, S for share, A for apple.
Yes, correct. @
Ah.
20.
20.
Yeah. Let
Very
me
fine.
write this in the group as well.
Hmm.
Just allow me for a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me add some folders here. Refresh this folder or page, Malti. Click on refresh.
Sir, in this Mac, I don't know how to refresh it.
That's totally fine. That's totally fine. There are 3 symbols, right? Minimize, maximize, and close.
Yeah.
Beside that green symbol, just scroll down little. Scroll down little more. Okay, close these options, 3 options which is coming now. Close that. Then, yeah. Can you see yeah, that symbol, correct. Reload this page.
Okay.
You can see these 2 folders. So just now you have downloaded a code from SAS Studio, right?
Yes,
So you
sir.
need to upload that code in the code folder. So click on the code folder.
And upload.
You can see upload, yeah,
Files.
files.
Yeah. recently I have done no downloads only. I'll see
Downloads.
data types and
Yeah, it will be at bottom. You can short as well.
this
Here
one,
it
sir.
is, yeah.
I have done it. Yeah, it is uploading now.
Uploaded.
Yes, sir. It uploaded.
So guys, you can see you all can access this after this session and you'll get this file. Okay. And every day after the session, within 10 to 20 minutes, you'll get the recording as well.
Okay.
Okay. So likewise, you can access every day after the session and within 10 to 15 minutes, you'll get the code and recording as well.
Okay.
So right now we are in the code folder. In the code folder, you can access the code. In the videos folder, you can access the recording.
Okay.
And in the tomorrow session, I'll add a tracker folder as well, where you can track your progress, and a syllabus folder as well, where you can check the syllabus as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay, any questions, anyone?
No, sir. Actually, you told today. Are you able to hear me, sir?
Yes, Malti.
Yes, sir. You told us to create some files today, like 5 or something. So, like this only, we have to give it like data input cards and run. We have to create 3-4 tables. That's what is the homework, right, sir?
Okay. The task I have given today, you need to
Yes, sir.
create 5 data sets. Like we have created one data set. A data set means which contain multiple variables or observation, right?
Okay,
So
fine.
we have
fine.
created one data set. The name we have given exp1 that contains
Okay.
some variable and some observation.
Okay.
So what
okay,
I
fine.
told, likewise, you need to create 5 data sets and you can decide how many variable you want to keep and how many observations you want to keep.
Okay, fine.
We have to save those data sets on the SAS Studio only, right? No, we don't. We are not upload those data
No.
set here.
Because that you are
There is
doing
no-
for your internal practice.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, got it, sir. We will do it.
And likewise, we have created one code folder in the SAS. So you should create one folder practice code as well. So in the practice code, whatever you are practicing for self, let's suppose there's 5 data sets you're going to create, right? So in that practice code folder, you should store that practice things.
Okay, got it, sir.
No worries, as we are going to learn many more things in the coming session. So right now, take this task, create 5 data sets, and let's meet in the tomorrow session.
Okay. So how to go out of this? There is some sign out, right, sir? That's it.
You don't need to do sign out. You just close the tab, it will automatically log out.
Okay. So when we wanted to re-enter in, then you have given us one link, right? Welcome oda.oda.
What you can do, just bookmark this link. So you don't have to go there.
Yeah, sir. Okay, I'm doing that. Okay.
Click on the 3 dots. Okay, click there. Yeah, done.
I'll
Now
create a
open a new
shortcut.
tab. Open a new tab. Click on the SAS Studio bookmark. Here it is, we can see. No, close that. Close this. You can see after WhatsApp symbol, Udemy symbol, you can see SAS Studio symbol as well. Not there.
Sir,
Yeah,
I
here.
found it.
No, on the same row, go backside. On the same row, go backside.
This one.
Yeah, in this row only. Yeah, click that. It will automatically log in.
Okay, sir.
So likewise, you all can bookmark, so you don't have to go on that link or open from WhatsApp. That is a lengthy process. You can bookmark it and directly you can open it. And
Okay.
make the password in such way, save it in the system. So you don't have to enter the password each and every time. You just click on the symbol and it should automatically open it.
Okay, sir, I just wanted to log out and change the password. Can I do it today? Or else
Of
should I
course.
make it open it like this only for the other purpose?
Keep it
also?
open, because see, this is for our internal purpose, just for practicing, right? If it is something confidential, then we need to worry about. So no need to worry about, Malti. If you still want to reset the password while entering the password, you can click on forgot password on the sign in page. Am I audible to you, Malti? Okay, any more questions? Anyone else? Guys,
Sir,
am I audible to others?
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, Babo.
Sir, what is actually syntax, sir?
Syntax is code. But
Okay, sir.
to be specific, in a broader or in a specific way, a syntax is the sequence of code. Let's suppose on 12th row you have written data. On 13th row you have written input. 14th row you have written cards. So सबसे पहले you have told to SAS that the data name, file name. Then you are telling SAS the variable name and then the observation name. So you cannot change this sequence. You cannot write input first. First you have to give the data name first. Then variable, then observation. You cannot change this sequence. So this sequence can be also, you can tell this is a syntax.
Okay, sir.
The sequence of code, which is fixed.
Okay, sir.
And we're gonna discuss in detail in the coming days. What is syntax? What is definition? What is code?
Okay, sir.
Any more questions? Anyone else? Okay, so guys, if no questions, we can wind up this session for today. And let's meet in the tomorrow session. Till the time, bye-bye everyone. And thank you everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Hello, sir. I lost the internet connection for the last 5 minutes. Anything you have told in this last 2-3 minutes?
Nothing special, Maldi. Nothing
Okay, sir.
special.
Okay, so then we are going to create 5 data tables, right? What you say that as data
You can create 5 data sets.
data sets. Okay.
Data
5
sets.
data sets task today. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you,
So I'm not
Malti.
changing any password, sir. I'm just holding it like that only.
Sorry, Malti.
Sir, should I make this as a open to all, like something like that? Because the recording has the same password, like. So should I keep it open or should I change the password?
If you want, you can change it, because see, all like we all gonna create, all the students gonna create their own accounts, right?
Okay.
Because that's free, so nothing to worry about.
Okay, 1 or
And if
2
you want
days
to
before.
reset,
Okay,
yeah,
1
you
or
can
2 days.
reset today. Yeah, you can reset today as well if you want. Nothing to worry about.
Okay, fine, sir. Okay.
It will take few seconds only to change the password.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.